What if everything you already know could change someone else's future? We're used to thinking that changing the world requires something big. But sometimes it starts with what you already have. R.O.S.A connects people from around the world with communities where their skills actually matter. From teaching digital skills, to mentoring, to creating real opportunities. You're not just sharing knowledge, you're helping build confidence, opportunities, and futures. And somewhere along the way, you realize something unexpected. You didn't just change their world. It changed yours too. So maybe the question isn't, can you make a difference? Maybe it is, what are you waiting for? Apply now, showing R.O.S.A's volunteer programs.